Hi, welcome to the CAD NEST. Today we are going to teach you conditional formatting in Excel. So here there is a student mark list. So you can see the marks scored, 6 subjects marks and the total marks and the result. So in the marks, if the student marks, if it is less than 35, he is considered as a fail. And the student is failed in the single subject and the result will be fail. If he is passed in all the subjects, then the result will be pass. So for this student mark list, so we are going to apply the conditional formatting. So the conditional formatting, he is going to highlight the colors. So we can highlight the colors. For example, if the student marks is less than 35, he is considered as a fail and the color should be displayed in the red color automatically, not manually, it is automatically. And if the text, if it is a fail, the color should be displayed in the red color. So we are going to teach you about the conditional formatting. So for this, select the cells, 6 subject marks. Conditional formatting, new rule. So here format cells only that contain the cell value. In the cell value, have to take a cell value since there is a number. If it is a text, example result fail or pass, then you have to select the specific text. So now we are going to select the cell value since it is a number present in the 6 subject marks. So cell value, if it is less than 35, less than 35 means below 35, like 34, 33, 32, 31. If it is greater than 35, more than 35, 36, 37, 38. If it is between the two values from this number to that number. So I will select the less than 35, go to the format, select the color. The color should be displayed in red color, bold with italic, and the font style is bold with italic, and OK. So click on OK. Now we can observe whoever has been failed. So those marks are highlighted in the red color automatically. If we change the other marks into the lowest less than 35, then the color will be changed automatically. And if you increase the marks, then the color will be changed automatically. So the result, if it is considered as a fail, the color should be changed as a red, as like that. So choose the result cells, conditional formatting, new rule, same, the cells only contain that. Choose the specific text containing fail. Format, choose the color as red, bold with italic. Okay, okay, you can observe the fail has been displaying in the red color. So here, pass the marks, the color has been changed, and pass the marks and the color has been changed. Here you can observe all the subjects have been passed and here it is passed. If we fail to the one subject, then the color will be changed to the fail color. So this is how to apply the conditional formatting in Excel. Thank you for watching.